Good morning. Here we are in the Himalayas. These are known as Panzer wagons or the million-mile Mercs. That they're one of the most reliable, dependable cars in the world. But just like humans, if you feed them on rubbish, they die. And we think we've either got some contaminated fuel, or it doesn't like the very high ethanol fuel, which we understand they're running, which was back in the day when these were built. Back in 1980, ethanol fuel, we were running on mildly leaded fuel, and it was probably purer and cleaner. But we think we've picked up some dodgy fuel, and we're going to drain the fuel out of it and replace the fuel in it, see if it go, because there's nothing mechanically changed in it. It's not making any nasty noises. Nothing's gone bang, crash or wallop. It's had new plugs in it and new injectors, so we think it's just a fueling issue.